Many people look at me and think they know me, but they don't at all. This is the real me. I am a humble person, a feeling person, a person who cares about others, who wants to help others. Talent, without working hard, is nothing. I see myself as the best footballer in the world. If you don't believe you're the best, then you will never achieve all that you are capable of. Without football, my life is worth nothing. I'm living a dream I never want to wake up from. I'm proud to play for Real Madrid because I have fun. When you no longer have fun, it's a sign that it's time to leave. For now though, I'm happy here at the greatest club in the world. I don't mind people hating me because it pushes me. I don't have to show anything to anyone. There is nothing to prove. While I'm not going to be a hypocrite and say the opposite of what I think, like some others do. My father always taught me that when you help other people, then God will give you double. And that's what has really happened to me. When I have helped other people who are in need, God has helped me more.